this is your living area. They have set a sofa set and TV unit, and this is your kitchen area. Is your master bedroom. The uniqueness starts from the flooring with the wooden fan. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Brigade Residency, a project at World Trade Center by Brigade Group. And this project is located in Perangude, Chennai. And today we are here to check out the 2 BHK actual flat at Nebula Tower. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the tower, the Residency's tower. And on the ground floor, you will be getting their marketing office as well. And these are the other residential tower with the WTC tower, the World Trade Center commercial tower. But before starting, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So now let's start with a project overview. This project will be constructed on total 5.5 acres of land parcel with 3 residential towers. Now we'll be focusing upon the tower Nebula. So this tower is of 2 basement ground plus 13 floors, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the amenities part. So this project provides you 30 plus world-class amenities. Like you can check out, this is the clubhouse and swimming pool which you'll be getting on the rooftop, garden area, kids play area, multi-purpose hall with the spa area and many more. Now coming to the location part, so basically this project is exactly located on OMR main road in Perangude, Chennai. So let me tell you that this is the OMR main road. And this road over this side will take you towards Turtle Park. And on the opposite side, so this road will take you towards Tiruvipakam. Now about the further connectivity, so this project is exactly located beside the WTC commercial tower and 300 meters away from the Apollo Hospital. Nearest upcoming metro station is 150 meters with American International School of Chennai is 3 kilometers away from the project. So let's have a look at your 2 BHK of 1465 square feet super built up area. But before entering to house, let me tell you one thing that here you'll be getting whole 2 BHK with the interior part. So once you enter, you can check out the digital door lock, and this is your kitchen area. Very well decorated, very well interior done. And now you can check out, this is your living area. They have set a sofa set and TV unit as well, but that is not the part of interior over here. Now let me show you the beautiful balcony with beautiful view. So this is how your balcony will be with wooden finishing tiles over here and toughened glass railing. So you can enjoy the beautiful scenic view. Now in this 2 BHK, both the rooms are on the other part of the house. So let's check your bedroom number 1 first. So over here, this is your bedroom number 1. Once you enter, you can check out the bed space. Here you can even check out that space over here where they have set the table with the chair. So even that table is not the part of the interior. And over here you can check out the window for ventilation and lighting purpose in this room. Now about your wardrobe space and the washroom. So this size is your wardrobe space. You can check out the wardrobe space and the washroom. With anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting, the washroom is pretty good. The washroom has ample of space over here. Now we'll be moving towards your master bedroom, but before that let me tell you what all features Housey provide here. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with the sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these features under one platform, that is Housey.com. So you just need to go and quickly register on Housey.com and schedule your free site visit. Now follow me, we'll be entering towards your master bedroom. So this is your master bedroom. The uniqueness starts from the flooring, with the wooden finishing flooring, the bed over here, the wardrobe space over there, with a window in center. Isn't it beautiful and spacious? Now exactly opposite to this is your attached washroom. So here comes the attached washroom. One thing you can notice in the attached washroom is the anti-skid tile, CP sanitary fitting and the provision for machine over here. So this was all about your 2 BHK in this project. So how was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here at Brigade Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then again, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is provided in I button. And do not forget to give a like and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.